In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Figma. Figma is a powerful tool that offers collaborative interface design, and knowing how to lock objects can help streamline your work while preventing unintended changes. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Figma's official website. This is your go-to platform for all things related to Figma and interface design. Once the website loads, you'll see a login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. Logging in takes you directly to the Figma homepage. Here you'll find all your recent projects and files organized for easy access. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout if you aren't already. Navigation here is quite intuitive, allowing you to quickly jump into your work. Next, locate and click on the design section. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for all your design activities and where you can delve deeper into your projects. Here you will engage directly with the files or designs you are working on. Once inside the design workspace, identify the object you intend to lock. Clicking on it will allow you to access further options. Now you need to right click on the selected object. Doing so will bring up a context menu with various options. In this context menu you'll see the option to lock unlock. Click on it and voila, your object is now locked in place. Locking an object ensures that it won't shift around or get altered unintentionally while you're working on other elements of your design. This step is particularly crucial in maintaining the integrity of your design layout, especially when dealing with complex or multi-layered designs. Should you wish to unlock the object, simply follow the same steps. Right-click, select the option to unlock, and you're free to make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, folks. Locking objects in Figma is a breeze once you become familiar with the process. This functionality not only boosts your efficiency but also adds a layer of protection to your design work. Consider it as a support tool in your design arsenal, ensuring precision and accuracy as you bring your creative visions to life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in mastering another aspect of Figma. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Happy designing!